Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 297 or attempted and frustrated robbery committed under certain circumstances. Under Article 297, attempted and frustrated robbery committed under certain circumstances is committed when by reason or on occasion of an attempted or frustrated robbery, a homicide is committed. Article 297 actually punishes the crime of attempted robbery with homicide and frustrated robbery with homicide. May dalawang elements upang mag-apply itong article na ito. First, there is an attempted or frustrated robbery. Second, a homicide is committed. Yung homicide po dito ay dapat consummated, hindi po siya attempted or frustrated. The person killed must be a victim of the robbery and the killer is the robber. Remember po doon sa discussion natin sa robbery with homicide, yung victim po ng homicide ay kahit sino. Pwedeng yung victim mismo ng robbery, stranger or isa sa mga robbers. Kahit sino, din po yung nakapatay. However, dito sa Article 297, yung victim ng homicide must be the victim also ng attempted or frustrated robbery. At ang offender sa homicide must be the robber himself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.